So, are we live? I think we are live. Let's see. Um, Check it out. And we are live. We are crazy. Is this all sounding good? So, are we live? Yes, we are live. We are indeed live. So, what we're gonna do this challenge? We need to be quick. Only 60 minutes. But the idea is, yesterday I went to a founders event. So people that did pitches, demo pitches and drinks. Actually, super cool. Those pitches. I went to this thing, and there I just told everyone that there's a founders run and we should have more founders running. And lots of people said like, I'd love to join. So I think it's time to make a website with a sign up form because we just need to have some structure. Or there's already a YouTube channel, but let's just not I mean YouTube Instagram channel. So let's just make this quickly. So what I'm gonna do is like start a timer and yeah, let's get this to work. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wait, put the timer on and let's go. 60 seconds, 60 minutes. Why does it not start? Yes, we start. Okay. Where's our sound? I don't want sound. Wait, this is fuck that. I don't want sound. Anyway, how do you stop the sound? Wait, why the fuck is this background sound? No, this is a terrible app. But it's native, silent. Anyway, quit. Let's try again. 60 minutes has count down. Okay, start website, right? So foundersrun.nl. It's not, well, I just got it here, right? So let's subtract 1 minute from that. Let's drink coffee because I kind of did this before and I thought, maybe, well, you know what? Let's do a cool challenge. Oh, wait, do I actually have the right microphone set up? I can do that right now. Uh, I might have audio. But if time, I want to make it easy. It's fair. We can just play around with this right now because I think it would have taken 2 minutes to do payment, and so I can play until 58 and then we have to really work. Okay, sound. Oh, it's not even connected yet. Uh, oh, here it is. Hello? Yeah. Now it should be way better, the audio. I hope so. Okay, we have still time to get one more coffee. So in the meantime, let's. I think now it's fine. It's fine. Now we did. We don't even did super crazy. So we have a domain name, and what we do first. Now, what I'd like to do is I go to ChatGPT, but not for the reason why you think I use it. I use I use a recording system. So, hey, so please write what I say, and I want to make a website, a single page website that allows you to for the Founders Running Group in Eindhoven. We call it Founders Run and Coffee in Eindhoven. Domain name is foundersrun.nl. So what we have is a simple website where there is the first one page is just a picture of people running of us, and this is like a sliding image, so you go from left to right, just like a carousel. Then below that, when you scroll down, things pop into screen. So it's a bit like the Apple effect. So when you scroll that, you see certain things popping into screen. So there's like, I think this, that's what I would like to have. And there's going to be a button like sign up now for the next run. And you can just sign up on the website or have people. You can also say, like, hey, I want to be part of the WhatsApp group. And the WhatsApp group is just very simple. You can go to a sign up form, and the sign up form is just very simple. I have a sign up form somewhere in my other repo, so I'll give that. I think that's really nice, that sign up form. Over engineered it. So let's take that sign up form, which is just name, startup, what you do, and that's it. If you know someone, no, but it should be really simple. So just email, phone number, who the person is, and what they do. That's it. And yeah, then they get part of the WhatsApp group, because it's important not to have a WhatsApp group opened on the internet, because that will mean that any scraper will get the WhatsApp group. And this WhatsApp group is then saved using a Supabase Edge function. It's called save to WhatsApp group application, and then I can review it later at a point in time. But in this Edge function is a Supabase setup where this just not even as authentication, not needed. It's all authentication. Yeah, and I think that's how we should set it up. And let me think, what else is cool to have? It's very simple. So it's very simple. The brand, like the story, like how it started because I went to the reason why this whole thing started should be a nice story of me. I have some pictures of me going to the founders run in San Francisco, and I was there in September, and I thought, I get my coffee. I thought, you know what we should do? We should have more people running. No, wait, let me say it again. So in San Francisco, there are so many cool events, so many cool things for AI startups, for founders. Every single day, there's a crazy event. Yesterday, I went to an event. It was quite nice. So like between, I think, guesstimate 70 people, which is quite. It was a nice group, nice people, but that's just a random Tuesday late morning at a terrible time, because no one can be at an event at 11 in the morning. And that's just like one of the nicer ones that we have. It's every month. This is one of the nice ones in Eindhoven, and just so easy to get to know the right person, the right people, in order to find your soulmate, your co-founder, maybe an investor, your ideas for which clients you should focus on. Maybe you can learn from other people. That's why San Francisco is so good, because you don't need 50,000. How many people there? Say there are, I don't know how many people live in San Francisco. Like, how many founders live there? Let's say it's 100,000. Like, you don't need 100,000 good founders around you. You only need like 50. If you have 50 founders around you, which you really care about, your network, that's enough. Of course, the more the better, but really you want connections with like 50, that's like the top limit. It's like, and I want to make these meaningful, great connections possible here. And I think the founders run, where we go running every morning at 7 in the morning, it's just a nice concept, you just are together here with each other, running, just running. And all you need to do is just show up every morning, not every morning, every Wednesday at 7 in the morning. Of course, you might think, do I really want to wake up at 7? The thing is, you can always do it. It's always a possibility for you to join at 7. At least for most people. They can. If they want to, they make time for it. And they don't have to switch anything with work or appointments, because appointments don't start from 8:30 earliest. So you can always do it. If you live in Eindhoven, you can always do it. So that's why it's at 7 in the morning. I got a lot of reactions yesterday from people like, hey, let's do it at 10 on Sunday, for example, 10 in the morning. I'm like, well, great, but I am not going to commit myself to that. Looking at this smudge on the screen. Anyway, so that's that. It's very simple. So the only way to get this working is to just start doing. And the way to start doing it is just to start bringing people together. And that's why we have this founders run here in Eindhoven. And that's why I started it in September. I've been doing it every single week. We were always with a group between smallest 2 people, biggest group at the same time running is 11. and that was before I did any socials or anything. So let's just make this website, put a post on LinkedIn, get it to work, and yeah, I've been yapping for like last 7 minutes about what I'm doing. Like you might think, like, why have you been yapping with a white screen in front of you? Well, there's all a reason for it. Because now, I'm actually not really 100% done yet. So this was my story of what I need to have on the website in a condensed format, and yeah, if there's anything missing in the story, I'd like to know that from you, ChatGPT. I don't really need this much, but what I want to the run on the stack is Next.js for the front end, super base edge functions for the back end for the sign up form, and the sign up form will just have a simple few fields of like name, phone number, email, and what you do. That's it. Keep it simple. Then I add it to a database. In my edge function, I will also call my personal agentic Discord brain. I can make a new channel, and every time someone signs up, I get a Discord notification. I think that's a nice thing to have. But also just for my other things, actually. For now, I'm thinking about it. It's just a Discord channel for all my notifications whenever I need to. Because yeah, that's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna make that, and well, you're gonna make it actually. So give me a few designs of the front end based on what I just said. Wait, but ChatGPT, can you separate my story into a few different sections? Or you, Claude, whatever, who's hearing this? Anyway, this is the idea. So this is how I hope it's all transcribing correctly. Because else it's a live stream, so. Um, anyway, let me just close some tabs. Okay, so now we're gonna create quickly not ideas. Okay, so let's just have this thing running. Let this thing running. Let me just close all these things that give me chaos in my mind. And then let's go add, create new repository. And that's like founders run the website and the backend for the founders run. Okay, so now we create this repository. Let's publish it. Keep it private. Oh, why the fuck we need to why would we need to keep it private? Who cares? The founders run. The founders run. The founders run is a weekly event with multiple special events. Events. This is the page to host the website. Anyway, I need to be quick. We only have spent 12 minutes yapping. Purpose repository. Also, wait, let me just do it like this. Also, for the story, I also want to have special events, and these events are let's say every month there's a special variation. So once every quarter, I think it's nice to have a founder run X investor run, and we can do other things like maybe like a walk, founders walk for people who are a bit older who also love to go together. So we can do every week, every month, a different variation on a Sunday, for example, at 11. So, and then we can end it off with like a nice lunch. That'll be cool. Like a calisthenics event. Like we can just do something cool, get some funding from like the Shadow Startup Vibes. Leave a little fund for this. So let's do it. I think it's a cool idea. So yeah, this should also be a section events, and there's also a weekly event every Wednesday 7 in the morning. And yeah, we can go ahead. So. Mm, mm, mm. Um, do I want this actually? Anyway, I need to open VS Code. How do I make this smaller? Oh, great stuff. This is a really bad app. Anyway, does its job for now. I'm not gonna make a new timer app. I will not do it. Even though I would think it's a cool idea. So let's just start a new Claude instance. Claude dangerously skip permissions, of course. Who? Why not? um, just give me. Wait, I want to have the plugins. Discover super design super which one did I just saw? I just saw one that was looked like quite nice. um Super base. That can be nice as well. So we have super base, and we also might want to add, what ones do we want to add? Superman, super design. Nee. I forgot what the plugin was called. No worries. Reload. No plugins. I'm just gonna give this all my yapping. To this is a transcript. Please separate into the files the text, which please wait. I just wanna please make a plan for what we are going to do. Okay, and wait, I need to have the right. Okay, and then we do front end. Let's do it like this. Okay, but now we have the Claude instance working. So now we can start off the Vercel part. Okay, let me just quickly. Okay. Okay. So, okay, now we need to create a new one, create a new project. Okay. Project. Let's just go ahead. We can do founders run, import. Let's just get a next.js to run, food directory. Design rest commit to, well, I don't know what this means. Dawn. Let's do dawn, like dawn. Fast runs. Yes. I don't have a logo. Okay, let's also, I will just, and then I have here a, wait, let me show you go to the right new window. I have a really nice setup for fonts and no, it's over engineered. I think let me just quickly see if that is makes any sense for me to use. Open recents. No, I'm just gonna say but I know that there's one word I want to actually have it Capero front sign up. And then I'm just gonna say waiting list. And now I need to bring it to waiting sign up overlay. So then I'm gonna copy relative path. Yep. I'm gonna point you to the one. Let's go. And design first. Design first. Let's design the repo for the path to the sign up form is here. So say, wait, I need to give it proper path, copy path. Okay, and phase one. Okay, let's go. And we also need need a link to our YouTube channel, commitify.me because this will call you, we will call you, we will call you, we will call you so that you are sure to be reminded and push to come. So people are gonna receive a phone call whenever they come. Reminder to come, to come and be fighting. Not by fighting, be running, running together. Let's keep it simple and friendly, running together. Okay. Anyway, so then we have this, and so now we have the running together. So that's what else do we need to give this whole system? I have 40 minutes left. Okay, running together. The link to the Instagram, the link to the Instagram, and then say that TikTok should also be included. Let me see what else this thing's saying. Hero. Let's also do a video on the front in the first page. Page spawn sub agents to make different variations of the landing page. F wait, sponsor page, the landing page. But first make the base of the page, do the website, and make and say route eg slash landing 1 slash landing 2, etc. Make sure to use proper front end and patterns. So our components are atomic. Really see which ones are in my commitify repo, because if I just do like do my commitify repo, commitify. If I just see how many things I have when it comes to UI, I like these copy relative path, say they. Ls use very use good patterns such as a component for following. Only when we use, but make them all so that we can easily. I'm not sure if that's a good idea actually. We are trying to see what's a good pattern. See how it's going. Easily change whole stylings, as that is important to me because we are iterating fast. Okay, I think this is good. And then also Chrome, let's also give it Chrome. Use Claude in Chrome to verify the build steps as well. You are running the pages. Let me just quickly. Use the extension. How do I enable default? Yes. Okay. So it's establish when you are running the build phase. Okay. So now we have the founders run. We might need to change some things. We can also already make Supabase for the sign-up form. We're already only 25 minutes in. We already have that's already working. Let's make a founders run. Let's make it we are startup free. We like free. Sounds good. Region, yep. Okay. Yeah, let's do road of security. Data API. Oh yeah. I might also want to. Ooh, this is done. So I can just. Let me just make this up again. New project. Add a new one, project, and we founders run Next.js. Oh, yeah, we need to update it. D1. Okay, it's not great naming, but who gives a fuck? Okay. I think we can just do like everything here. Yeah. Okay. Let's create first the. Oh. It seems all right. So now we have the. Oh, we need to create a password. How I'm gonna keep this a secret password. Think like this. Well, that's great. Okay. Superbase, base founders run. Okay. Oh, I messed this up. Anyway, we can go back to where we were. I think now I have a password. Now I can show some little data ethics and security. Is a bit of a mess if you're live streaming, but who cares? No, I care. I care. Okay. So now anyway, so now we have a setup here. I don't know why it's it's setting it up. Okay. Fine. Then we go back to the other parts. We can make an API key ready. Security API key. I need to set up the access tokens. Indeed. Nope. Never. Superbase. Wait. Founders run. There's run. Founders run. So now we're gonna make a quick founders run. Generate token. So now we have created a token, and this token should be kept secret. So I will not show you how I add this in. I hope you guys are girls are capable enough to figure out environment variables, superbase, base, API key. Okay. Now we can deploy. I think we can deploy now. So now we can deploy. We put the environment key there. We have set it up correctly. So yeah, I think this is about right. Like half an hour left. Okay, what do we do in half an hour? We can maybe define brand tokens, because this is still working. We can do is see what Claude has been saying here. So what can we do? We can do in the meantime, make the tables in Superbase. If this is done, no, it's not really working. Okay, understood. Fine. What is Superbase online, Superbase status? Okay. Yeah, operational. So we can already make a let's make a post for LinkedIn. LinkedIn. So this is working. Yeah. Okay. So then we can just do this maybe easier. So then we like ChatGPT because it's not my favorite thing anymore. So half a year in, Founders Run is the way to. I can just create. Wait, I just yapped for 10 minutes. We can just use that. Post for LinkedIn, based on what we just make a post, make some post ideas, These for my personal LinkedIn based on let me see, on the conversation we just had. I think we just need a post announcing the run plus website plus to sign up for the WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group. To get all the updates. Um, so what can I already do? I can look the sign up form. I think it already has it here. Let's think. What would be a nice thing to have for the website? To have the Instagram, founders and coffee Eindhoven. Did I make a link tree? Good stuff. So, okay, you can do more. So important links, Instagram. Okay. And next to Instagram, we also have the TikTok. Ooh, 0 followers. Great follower groups. We've been doing it every week though. Every week. I have proof of it. If you don't believe me. And TikTok. Talk. Okay. Commitify. Development. HTTPS MSSS. www.commitify.me. Okay. So we have that set up. What else do we need to connect it towards? Can make it where you think about events. Event ideas. Let's do it in Claude instead. What's this? Founders Run Club. Some more good people. Tuesday morning, New York City. Well, good stuff. A day to do that Tuesday. This is where I started, I think. Founders Run Club. Well, you can call Founders Run Club. I'll call it Founders Run and Coffee. I think it also copied the name, but it's a good name. Oh yeah, what I can do is already connect the DNS domains. Edit to another domain. Add existing founders run.nl. So invalid configurations. Of course it's invalid. And that's why I'm going to set it up. What is this all about? I know this for sure. Put that into Strato. Just like some. Okay. Alle pakketten. I mean, they are processing it. What does that mean? What does that mean? So I'm just trying to see why it's not really working. And domains. So they don't want me to create a domain. Anyway, I already paid for it, right? Let me see. Facturen. No, I didn't pay for it yet. I hope this is gonna selecteren. I don't want anything like this. Mail. Or maybe I want mail. Do I want an email for the founders run? Yeah, why not, right? Oh, why not? It's 33 euros, 36. I just want my fucking website to work. I don't need a fucking domain. I need a domain, but I don't need a domain packet. So this should work. Blijft in. You just need to wait. And let me just see. We only have 15 minutes left. I think it takes some time, but it's already an hour ago because I knew it took some time. And they say it is 24 hours. Within 24 hours. Okay, then I just should I accept defeat or just so now Claude and Chrome is playing. Let's see what it's doing. Let me see. So Claude and Chrome is now, let me see if I can put that a bit more here. So Claude and Chrome is now doing this. This is, I think, pretty visible. Let me just move this away. Okay, healthy. Okay, Superbase is also now set up. Skip permissions. Let's work on the Superbase function. Sign up. Use the MCP with no, fuck the MCP. Use the create folder, create a separate folder for the Superbase function, base functions. But of course now I need to give it the access token that I just deleted. Prompt for okay. Anyway, let me see. Table editor. Create a table. Set sign up. The table that holds all information for set signups. Okay, so now we have the front end Superbase function. What is all saying? Okay, let's just apparently it can do it themselves. Okay, discard changes, and we just keep going in the other one. Okay, might have a website soon, and let me see whether the Strato is already done. No, still not done. So we cannot get launching. Fuck. Maybe last minute we can connect it all, but it's going to be probably unlikely that the API is going to be working. Okay, your name. I like this. Good stuff. Wait, we have already a. Should keep rocking the same photos. Um, um, 16 September. I made a picture. Let me just quickly. 16 September. Well, I didn't make it. I made it, kind of. Mm, let me see. I'm looking for the logo that I made some time ago. 16 September. Should be here. Mm. So here we go. So now we have a nice picture. Export one photo. JPEG. I think PNG is better. I'm not sure why, but okay. Export. And we have into the right folder. Founders run. Let's see where it's at. And public. We have the sign up. Okay. The copy WhatsApp logo we are using. We also use it. We also use it for every single Luma event I've had for the founders run. Okay. 8.5 minutes left. I really hope we're gonna be able to. It's not our fault though. Mm, wait, what are you doing? Are you doing? Make a plan first and ask me questions first before doing too much. We have only 8 minutes left to make it. Okay. Okay. What you do? Okay. Keep full scope. Okay. Also need to make a Discord. I have my own Discord server, and this Discord server lives for me. I'll show you. So here in this Discord server, what I have is simple. It's my personal setup thing. So create a channel. So it's like founders run signups. Founders run. Okay. And then we have the text channel, private. And we just add a integration, a bot. Create a bot. Why doesn't it work? Export one photo. Just export it. Okay. So webhook URL. Now add to the README. Okay. We have to get a new key. Just token, create a new token. How do I make a fine-grained one? How to make a fine-grained access key? Well, let's just hope nothing goes crazy. Superbase key, service key, service key. And so that's something I do want to not show. So I'll just wait. How do I do that? So now I'm just quickly I'm a bit stressing, not stressing. I'm just like trying to get it done as quickly as possible. We only have like 3 minutes left. Fuck. I don't think we're gonna make this. Is URL. We need to be quick. What is the URL? I think this is the URL. You see if it's the right one. So if this is all done, then we are fucking playing. .c. Mm. Okay, let me see if this all works. So no, we didn't do it in an hour. but we did do nearly. So I have added the important keys to the .env. Okay, let's see what the other one's done. Um, the logo is added to the public folder. Um, let's see whether it's working. Oh, this is a terrible website. Oh, this is the, oh, this looks way nicer. This looks like super neat, right? Founders run, start San Francisco, events, timing is broken. Um, I can create sign up forms for every single. Oh shit! Okay, so we got an hour right now, so we should be done. But no, we're not done. So we can do two things now, right? So we can either take a break, take a breather, view what we have, whether it's good enough, and or not, or just say stop it. You know what? Time is full. Well, this is like an insane website without any fucking. Wait, almost got it right as well. Foundersrun.nl. You see Strato. Anyway, so we are pretty much almost done. And in order to get done, let's just give ourselves a 5-minute break, and then we give it a little bit more time, because I think the time was really good to get a lot of shit done real quickly. But yeah, so take a little break, see what's going on, because I think we did a lot of stuff. The whole fucking website is there. Mm, um, so now we can maybe read through what it yapped, but let's just create a new version of this. Let's see, is there anyone watching even? I have no clue. Okay, bro. Oh, we have someone watching. I don't know how many people are watching live, but definitely someone. Yo. um. Okay, so this is where we are. So we got a very decent website for the first version, and what it is about, who knows? Who knows? Um, this this is all. Mm, I need to bring the people story better. I think the whole story has been removed from. Let's just first just publish it to GitHub and see. Mm, okay, so let me see what we can do now. We need to get this out to the people as quickly as possible. But this takes the base is set right now with this. But then the question is, do we make 1 or 2 languages? I think 1. Fuck that. I'm gonna make 2 languages, not make a whole. It's like an hour sync at least. But so I need to think about this carousel. You know what? This is like the perfect time to just give Claude the exercise. Okay. Let's get it all live to update V1 website. So this can give. What does it need from me? It needs to have some pictures. Yeah, I'll just start finding some pictures now, and then yeah. But I think the stream is not completed, but I am going to at least take a break. So and see like what I'm gonna do after this, so I know a bit better what I want to do. Exit, so break. Let's get it all fired up. Okay, let's get this thing fired up. Let's just fucking get it done. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is what we just need to do is so let me write it down. So get the pictures from my phone. That takes a lot of time. I just want to have a I'll just do that later. I'm just gonna get a few of them, put them in phone plus logo of the founders run. So what else we need to do is get connect URL founders run.nl with plus website carousel builds variation build iterations of website the website and make update the text of the website. I think I'm gonna do this by yapping again about what I like and what I don't like about the website, and just get it out there. Just do it and see where it goes. But I think if we get this working properly, get the pictures from my phone, and maybe get a third screen, because right now I have the setup where I have a big screen there. And this one, you just put it like here. So we have the text of the website. What do we need to? Mm, oh, so I think we can get everything done in like half an hour. So let's just pick half an hour this time, and then end the stream. Get it done. So let me first put all the fucking tasks in. Get the picture from the logo, founders run, connect founders first sell, build iteration website, update the text on the website. Just keep placeholders. Make a image package from Next.js. But build a plan first. Then use the README to find since okay. So this thing can just run for now. It will take a while. Make sure the SQL base setup works, and then we can just go live. I think the text making is takes the most of amount of time. Yeah, I think that takes the most amount of time. But we see if it's even live now. Bad website. So I think we can start a timer for like a half an hour extra, and then we just gonna do it. This is a terrible website. Why is it? Okay, 30 minutes. And let's just so these tasks: get pictures from phone, logo, uh, and the hard drive. A lot of pictures there, and yeah. Oh, let me first do this one. So logo, Luma, run. Okay. In public by kind of. Okay, so let's just start the timer. I think this also is cheating. So let's make it work. The pictures is lost. But this thing, my Strato setup, is still waiting. Okay, fuck that. Okay, so this doesn't work. MIME-Stellingen. Founders run.nl. Yeah, no fucks. No, Sherlock. I fucking bought it. It just says it here. That doesn't work. Then I can just go to Vercel and see if my deployments works. Okay, so now let's just quickly get through all this stuff because right now I want to get this done as quickly as possible. Because if we can get this done, it's working, we can see if there's a. Yep. Okay. Then okay. Okay, so let's quickly go through here. Use the band poster for a different variation. Leave this variation as is. Okay, I think that's good. Good. Okay, so we have 4 in total then. Okay, and then we have update to GitHub. I'm not working in any branches because it's not needed because we're just doing something real quick and dirty, which is good enough. So I said it works. So what do I need to get live in the database and the setup. Okay, so now we have the Supabase functions. They are working, and then we can ask, we can see the redeploy. See if this, yeah, this one works. View copy URL. Claude, let me see if I can get it to. Also, could you paste what we just discussed? Okay, let's see. Could you give? I am what's the website on this URL? What kind of text should be adjusted to make it more poppin' and compelling. Like, okay, now we have this working. Then go to the event, go to the website, to the website. Do you want to start community? It sounds too much like. I like the hooks. I like it. It's also density. Okay, good stuff. Update the review, the website. What the content is right now pretty bad. Pretty bad. It is not according to my whole speech that you see that I gave. And the sentence. How chat? How can we make it? How can we make it? We make it more compelling. Uh, really make it similar to what works. What works? It works to bring founders together. Founders together in other cities around the world. Okay, and okay. It cannot fetch it. Okay. See what. Okay. Mm, then Superbase login. And we just now we went Superbase and present it to open browser. Okay. So now we have Superbase. Okay. Now we are verified. Great stuff. And then we're just gonna quickly look at the okay. And then we are going to do quickly set this up. Wait. Okay, great stuff. And Superbase link. Superbase base link. Mm, how can I change the name? Enter your database password. Okay. Okay, let me see. Why did I not ask it to do it for me? I'm not sure. Are you sure? Mm, okay. Cloud resume. Dangerously skip permissions. Do not do this if you don't really know what you're doing. What's the plan? Plan. Plan. Questions. Okay. And then yeah. Do it for me. For me, it is in the .env thing. Okay. Good stuff. And now Claude.md. Important to. Oh, it's already there. Claude.md. Important to always to after you are done to make a commit and push to the repository. Make sure to use proper understandable commit messages. Later I will also edit to also include the how you say it, to use pull request. But I think right now it's not really necessary to make a pull request because pull request just increase complexity, and I just have only 17 minutes left. So okay. Okay. Then let's see what this thing has to say. Pro protection. Save. Disable Vercel authentication. Okay. Try it again. It's again should be off now. Um. So my robot is cleaning. Just needs to charge. Okay, I'm just gonna yap about just gonna give this is ChatGPT's. Okay, now it should be understandable. View the evaluation. Use it to your best abilities. And then I will also add what I use FRC. Oh, this is nice. Well, it's all fine, right? Mm, okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Should be accessible. Okay, that is completed. And that makes sense. I need to give it. Okay. Push. Okay. Do I have now my super base setup? Let me see. We do have a super base setup that works, which is cool. Super cool, actually. It always works. Edge function as well. Indeed. Also works. Cool chef. Cool secrets. Even secrets setup. Well, amazing. I think we are almost done then. Oh, it's also live recap. Let's build. Okay, and we have now this all set up. Update to. I don't really care about this thing. I mean the thing, the commit messages. That's all. It's always something, right? So yeah, I think this is all set up now. I have even. Let me see if this also works. Join WhatsApp group. Ready? Ready? It. Founders, of course. Join WhatsApp group. Server is not configured. That makes sense. Um, Deployments. See if it now it's indeed. Oh, copy URL. See if Stratus now. Don't know what I asked. Okay. The domain name is not working. Great stuff. At least like it's 12 cents for a year, right? Get what you pay for. What does it mean? Why do I get this error? Do I get a edge functions? Do I maybe need to look at the domain, headers, payload, response, server not configured. I don't know what that means, but it says API slash fly. Okay. And then we see the front end font to the wrong sign up. Sign up form, please fix. Okay, and then I go back to I need to give him this one. What about this one? What's this? Okay. Okay, so we have almost the whole website completed with different websites, landings. Make sure to the slash path link to all 4 endpoints. Okay. Cool stuff. Then I think we're almost done. The only thing is that it's needs to have some fine tuning about the text and information about WhatsApp. But yeah, I think this all should work. For cell is working. The okay. Anyway, I think I have it now. It's all pretty well structured now and set up. Might not be completely ready to. I need to be a lot of polishing, but I'll just ask some people to do that for me to polish it because it's better to work together on things than to do everything by yourself. But this is a great first starting point. And yeah, there's no CMS or content management system out there, which is not a problem, of course. But why is this thing not working? Within 24 hours, like I should have just done Namecheap. Namecheap is always fast, always quick, always good. Okay. So I think I am done, and I will. Yeah, you just have to see the domain whenever you see it, because it's gonna be almost done, almost ready, and we have a good website. We can just traverse it now. Let me see what the localhost looks like right now. Localhost. Mm, how about still working? Mm, okay, we have everything set up right now. The you have different variations of front end websites. It's all set up as a simple page. And let me see what Claude's evaluation is. Um, yeah, so now the text is requires some. I think I do need this content management system, but I'm not 100% sure. I think I should make that. But right now, everything is just saying the text again and again. Oh, it already has it. Great stuff. All the information is already here. The Well, perfect. I only have to do is change this part, and then it all works. Just fucking crazy, and cool, and nice. Um, my Medi moments. Okay. I think we have here a good enough setup that works, is well, is understandable. So yeah, I think maybe I get the iMovie setup out. Because I had a nice movie for um founders running group. I think there's a video. No, let's make a new export. Export, export file. Next, desktop, founders run. I think we should use Max for this, but let's just keep it for this right now. Public video. Hero.mp4. And then we have the okay. It's very fucking loud. Crazy loud. And we can reduce the sound a little bit. Okay, let's just 39 seconds. Fuck it. Let's just keep it like this. And then super bass. Founders run. Okay, time is up. Founders run. Okay. Okay. Now we just have to push it, and then we can just get on with our things. Okay. Update. Push the changes. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to, no need to, no. Work. Best. Okay. And yeah, I think that's all set up now as we wanted. Let's see if when we run this locally, uh, mm, dev, locally we get this. Okay, okay. I just is all the text the website right inside the config site.ts file. Get everywhere where link to the site.ts file. Source of truth for my text. Okay, then let me see the I don't know where the watch the story. How did you incorporate the video? Okay, this is working, and the website is also working. I think at least. Copy URL. So now we have a couple of websites. So the first one is this one. So wake up early, run together, build something. Oh, maybe that we should first actually change the text, the hero video. Okay, so now this is working, and my other thing is also working. So and then yeah, I think we have the most of the page. Let's just look at how the user interface looks, right? Let me see if I can give you some better viewing because the Obsidian, okay. So now we have, let's just remove, not remove it, but like put it here, put it Okay, the timer is not really much valuable anymore, so I just want to show this setup. Okay, then I will put this thing over here. Nice. Okay, so here we have, we can do them side by side. We can just do it like up. We didn't do all four of them. So this is a big screen, but it's gonna be not exactly the same, but I have to make it work right. Okay. No, this is not gonna work. Do it at most, probably in this regard. Oh, is it actually optimized for phone? I didn't ask that, so it probably is not. It might be. Um, iPhone XR. Oh, this is pretty nice for phone actually. Great stuff. Didn't even think about phone. It's already fixed. Amazing. Okay, so this is 3. Um, okay, this is 2. Variation 1. I like this one more. The top part. It's super. I think nice to have. Mm, the oh, I got a call. So here is the left and right. This should be, I think, the video. So why it's there? I think picture is nicer. Let me just make this into a recording again. So this is how I iterate. So for the landing page 1, I think it's actually looks very, very clean. The top bar looks clean, way more clean than variation 2, for example. And let me put also variation 3 and 4. This is 3. I think this is 4. Yeah. Hmm? Okay, this is 2. Okay, so if we have variation 1, I like it really, it's very clean, it's very calm. The color is, I like the color as well. The variation 2, it's a bit convoluted. The whole top part of the screen, I think as well, and you put like your phone, so a phone is actually better. But it's a lot of, I don't like it. It's too much text on the first top bar. Maybe we can get it fixed by having less text there, but this is too much. The video, I like it less than the variation 2. Variation 1 is very clean. Let's look at the variation 3 and 4. Variation 3 seems to be broken. And I don't know why. So very hacky. Now this is like bullshit. Variation 3 is bullshit. Okay. But it's a Mm. Sorry guys, I need to leave. It's an important call. So, another time. Ik